Hello and welcome to Hello by Felicia. We're going to be making some simple cards, and here is the card recipe. For an A2 card, you might want a faceplate, and I am testing out these Amazon cat acrylic stamps. So I have it listed there what the cute cat meow is on Amazon, and there's some Ranger archival ink and some Nuvo drops. I always keep some A2 card size cut and the little face plates on the front. That's what I call the piece that you glue on to the front. I'm using a Tim Holtz stamping background. I'm down to one magnet, but so I pick a few of these acrylic stamps, and any of them will work. I do this almost in real time. I've sped it up to time and a half. So 4 cards took me about 10 minutes when I had everything out. Obviously, when you get everything out and put it all away, it's probably going to be more like an hour. But these are pretty easy. I really like the way they look as well. So you can see I'm using some Nuvo drops in, let's see, I can tell you the colors. Metallic crystal drops, and that's the green color. And crystal drops copper penny. And then these are, I think, the crystal drops rhubarb crumble. And they're all in metallic. So I am just putting in the different cards. The dark blue doesn't turn out real well. I can't see it. You could use some wax embossing and do it in like a light color, but I just decide to change directions, and I always keep my messed up cards or whatever to the side, so I make a quick and easy butterfly card, and I just go ahead and leave that in. So you can see you can put these acrylic stamps really anywhere, and these are going to look really cute. These cards, you could do one of the stamps, you could do multiples. They have really cute sayings on there. They have meow, stay pawtastic, hope you are feline better, have a perfect birthday, possum day, handmade meow, stay positive, and another meow. These are really, really cute. So arrange them however you would like. Kind of change them around for the envelopes. Get a couple different. These are easy to make a set of, like, say 10 for a friend. I really like the dark black on the light color, that archival ink. It's acid-free, permanent, and waterproof. The Ranger, the jet black, it's really, I like it. I like the stamping platform. You could use an acrylic block instead if you don't have the stamping platform. I couldn't afford the Misty. I've never used a Misty because it was just out of my price range. I actually ordered my Tim Holtz from overseas, and I think I paid like an extra $25 for shipping, and it was still cheaper. I always keep extra sentiments nearby, and you can see I just kept that one nearby. It was kind of funny. I have a bunch of cat stuff from when the whatever that Cat King show was out. Then that said, this is my little town. I'm the mayor, the prosecutor, the cop, and the executioner. That's Joe Exotic. I wasn't in rehab. I was at rehab visiting Stavros. So Alexis. I will not feel shame about the mall pretzels. I had a bunch of these little things sitting around. So, I'm just kind of playing around. These are super easy to make, easy to clean up. I even got out my glass mat, and I got some new calligraphy pens. That was a fun card, and it was a mess up card, and I'd used Tim Holtz ink on it. I just kind of went to town. Here are my ending cards, and I'm pretty happy with them. So I'm making a bunch of cards to take back to Indiana when I go back and visit my dad on his birthday. So stay positive, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for visiting. Hello, bye, Felicia. And I hope that you give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And I'm eating some Good and Plenty's, which is the best candy on the market, in my opinion. And here's one little saying that I like. If I waited to get my ducks in a row, I'd never get across the street. Sometimes you just got to grab your ducks and run for it. And then I always keep extra envelopes. So thank you for stopping by. Have a beautiful rest of your day.